Good morning. It is day 8 of my juice cleanse. Today, admittedly, I already had to get started on my juice as I was so hungry. But I've been doing good for about 2 days. 2 days ago, I was feeling a little weak. So walking up the stairs, at the top of the stairs, I might feel exhausted, or going for a longer walk with a friend the other day. I had to turn around a little earlier. But yesterday I felt strong again and I could walk up the stairs without any challenges. So yes, doing good. I want to talk today about the potassium broth that you may want to consider adding to your juice cleanse. So why would you drink a potassium broth? Well, first, it's just so warming and something different in your day, because throughout the day you drink, you taste produce and the sugar of the fruits, which has a certain type of taste. The potassium broth, on the other hand, is not just warming, but you can add a little bit of salt to it, and that salt just feels so good, just a little bit, not too much. But it gives you, potassium broth gives you all the vitamins and minerals that your body might be still craving. And it helps your body flush through. Again, the whole point of a juice cleanse is to detoxify your body, and so this liquid is really supporting the detoxification process. So how is it potassium broth made? It's super easy. You take 4 organic zucchinis and you chop them up in a pot. You add 4 chopped organic tomatoes, then 2 garlic cloves, a bunch of organic parsley, and a pound of green beans. I personally just choose the frozen green beans that are already chopped up in the freezer, so that's easy. And then you fill this whole thing up with filtered good water, so not necessarily tap water. And then you bring it to boil and you let it simmer for about 30 minutes, and then you discard all of the vegetables and you keep all of the broth. You just sift it through. And that broth you can then warm up every evening for the following days to have that beautiful warming drink in the evening. So I hope this was helpful. I'm going to continue juicing. I don't know how long, but I would say definitely today, probably tomorrow. And so I will see you tomorrow. Bye.